Mum tells me that there are new rules we all have to follow to keep everyone safe. Mum said that the buses are all given an extra deep clean to help get rid of any germs. And that we need to leave the windows open to let fresh air in. We always check to see when the bus is due. Mum uses the app on her phone. Before getting on the bus, we must make sure we sanitise our hands. And make sure we wear a face covering if we can. It needs to cover my mouth and my nose. Mum pays for her ticket with capped contactless as she is taking more buses later. And she can buy mine on her card too. Mum explained that some people can't wear face coverings because of their health, and that's okay too. We don't sit too close to other people on the bus if possible, and when getting off we stay behind the line. We always make sure to thank our driver too, because they do a great job. I love going by bus.